successful people, and welcome to the Success Platform. My name is Thando Mpama and I'm an entrepreneur. So today, guys, what I want to do is just show you how I pack my orders. And just because I have an order that I need to pack, I just thought I should just record that. And I have just a little bit of inventory that I want to show you, just a couple of more stuff that I got for my business that I think is very essential. And I just want to go over everything and just show you guys my stuff. And one more thing, guys, how do you like my flag? Like, ooh, out here representing SA, guys. I really love this. So yeah, this is my South African flag. And let's get to like the inventory. So the reason why I went and got out all this stuff is because I want to actually pack my orders at home and make sure that they are safe and secure before I send them out, because not everyone is careful with your stuff. And the other thing is that I work with a lot of glassware, so I need to make sure that everything is packaged. So I just want to show you guys what I got, and like just a couple of things to make my life easier. And the first thing that I got are boxes. I got boxes, and just basically to pack my orders in, because I don't want to buy a box when I'm shipping the order or just posting the order. So I got these boxes. They are like stock one, and they fit like at least 2 of my products or 1. So I really like these. They really work. And yeah, I would just like to get custom ones that are like this, but I'm still looking. So for now, I'm just working with these ones, and I try to just make them really look gorgeous. And the next boxes that I got are these ones. Not sure if it's stock 2 or what. So these boxes, they're quite bigger than these ones. Let me just show you. These, yeah. So they're quite bigger than these ones, and these ones actually fit more products. So all of them put together, and these actually fit like 2 maximum or 3. 2 or 3 maximum products. So this is what I got, and I'm really excited about this. So that's why I said I'm just going to show you guys packing one order that I need to send out. And moving on, another thing that I got is this huge bubble wrap. And if you can believe it or not, I had to go all the way to Kempton Park to get all these things, just because we don't have a vendor this side. So I got this huge bubble wrap, and this was a bargain. I got this, like, I didn't even spend 100 Rand for this, you know, so it's really nice. And I get to like package my orders properly and not worry about anything breaking, or you know, yeah. So I'm really happy about this. And I think my daughter always wants to play with this and just like, okay, it's not a good idea, but okay. So let's move on. And the other thing that I got is this fragile stickers. I got these. There are 1,000 of them. And I think these will really help me a lot, because I will be able to label my box before it leaves the house and make sure that everyone understands that it's fragile. I'll put like 100 of these things just so like a person understands that, hey, this is fragile, you know. They don't have like an excuse to say, no, I didn't see or anything. So yeah, I got these, and yeah, I really love them. I'm looking forward to using them. So I got these stickers. So the other thing that I got is this box. So I told you guys that I wanted, like, I'm still in the process of launching a 3rd collection to my candles, and that is the exclusive collection. And I'm still in search of, like, your linen spray bottles and everything. So right now I bought like the glassware for the thing. I bought the glassware for the candles. Yeah. So this is how this thing looks. Let's just undo this. So yeah, this is how the jar is looking. A bit pricey, but it looks good. So I'm really happy about this. And so yeah, this is how this jar is looking, you guys, and I'm really excited. So I got so I think that's just about everything that I got for like this stuff. I think I have everything. Yeah, so I think that's everything that I got, and yeah, I can't wait to start packing. So let me just get on to that. So the next time I come back, you guys, I'll be packing an order, and yeah, I think we're gonna finish this video right there.